What's up, guys? It's your girl Alisha here, and I want to do this quick video to let you guys know about the Conversion Pros promo that they have going on. Not sure how long this promo will actually take place, but just got notification in our training group on the Conversion Pros on Facebook that they are offering any person that have joined anyone with a trial membership. If you become a member, like I said, I'm not sure how long this will actually last, but the owners of the Conversion Pros has sent word out to let us know that if you become a paid member, they will get all of their top graphic designers, their ad copy experts, their programmers. They're going to do a sales funnel for you absolutely free. It doesn't matter what business that you're in. They're going to ask you for your information. All you have to do, and I'll put the link right below this video so you guys can, if you have not became a trial member, and I just want to show you, this is what the website looked like. They actually gave us a share code to do this funnel for you guys. So pretty much what you need to do is click on the link below. You'll go to this video here. Make sure you watch this video because he's going to tell you all about what they're going to offer you guys once you become a paid member. You're going to, like I said, receive that free sales funnel that will be created not by me, but by the experts of the Conversion Pros. They're going to do the ad copy for you. They're going to do the graphic design. They're going to do every single thing for your sales funnel so you guys can start getting the signups that you really are looking for. So all you have to do is click the link below in the description of this video. Make sure if you are not a trial member, you want to complete this form down here. And once you complete that form, you want to click on I want a funnel. That will send you over to the other sales funnel so you can see exactly what you will receive as a member of the Conversion Pros. Then you become a trial member, and then from there you upgrade. Once you upgrade, guys, you want to make sure that you email your upgraded receipt to this email address right here. Make sure that you screenshot your receipt and you email the company. Really, it's this guy that's in the video here, David Dubs. You want to email him and he'll get everything situated for you. He'll also give you a call. He's very good by calling and emailing you guys back pretty quickly. So if you want to get that professionally made sales funnel that's going to really convert all of your prospects, your customers, or whatever you want to call them, into members, paid members, you guys definitely want to take advantage of this offer. Okay, so once again, I'll leave the link right below this video, and once you go to the link, if you have already become a trial member, you're going to click here on log in. You're going to put in your username, and let me just click on it here. So you guys will know exactly what you need to do. You're going to just log into the Conversion Pros website, and once you log into their website, you want to upgrade. Okay, you want to upgrade. It's only one level of upgrade that goes with the Conversion Pros, and you're gonna pay your $50, and it's $50 every month after that. But guys, the Conversion Pros is well worth it. I'm here to tell you, I've been using them ever since they have been a company, and it has tremendously grown. I've seen the growth and all of that, and it's only growing and going for the better. Okay, so make sure if you've already become a trial member, you come here and click on this green button that states log in now. And if you are not a trial member, you want to come here, put in your name, your email address, your phone number, and click on I want a funnel. It'll take you over to the next step of what you need to do to become a trial member as well as a paid member. Okay, so that's it for this video. And don't forget, once you are done upgrading, you want to make sure that you screenshot your receipt when you upgrade it, and you want to email dubs@theconversionpros.com with your receipt. Okay, and of course your contact information, and just let them know that you have become an upgraded member and you would like to get your free funnel set up. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys take advantage of this opportunity. Really, really great opportunity. I know a lot of you are out there looking for so many different ways to make money online. This is a great way to get a free funnel created for you by an expert. Well, experts with an S, okay? So they're going to go through your website and pull out all the good details about your website and create your funnel. If they need to add a video, they're going to do a video for you. They're going to do everything for you just for becoming a member of the Conversion Pros. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like always, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can get all the updates of all of the videos that I put out. And other than that, you guys have a fabulous Saturday. Talk to you later. Bye.